The National Institute on Disability's data shows, on average, over 30,000 people in Alabama have a disability. To help them live to their full potential, organizations in Central Alabama are working together through a program called Project Search. Reporter Julia Avent has the story.
For over a decade, young adults in Montgomery with special needs have been able to receive real-life experience while working at Baptist South.
We want to make sure that they've got the educational background that they need, the soft skill employment background information that they need to have to be able to go forth and be successful in obtaining greater independence and employment.
Every 10 weeks during the program, students work in a different department, whether that be cleaning the hospital or assisting in the respiratory department. All of them say they are honored to do the work that they do.
I have never in my life have been working inside a hospital before, never. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself. And I'm just thanking God.
We don't play around. We do what we gotta do to make our parents proud and our others' parents proud and our grandparents.
Precious McCorkle is a great example of the power of this program. Instructors say this program revealed the true Precious.
She's pretty shy and withdrawn, or she was when she came to us, and now she's like the auntie of the group, and she talks to everybody. She knows everybody's business.
She especially bonded with her mentor, Juan Harding, who started off in this program 4 years ago and has now been hired by Baptist South.
He made good advice to make me real feel better, cause I did lost some people in my life. It been hard. Only thing I remember.
Growing strong people in and out of the workforce. Besides hands-on experience, students learn about filing taxes and managing their checks. Instructors say those who have graduated from the program have been successful, and some working at Baptist South full-time.